Alright, so this is basically where we left off. He withdraws his Lugia after getting Roost health back and switches out to his Fortress again, while Fortress takes damage from the spikes. I'm going to go for the aromatherapy so that I could get the paralysis off of Dark Lord. He gets lefties back. And I just go ahead and go for the seismic toss. And that barely leaves it with any health. So he gets actually to set up his layer of rocks. I don't know why he didn't go back out with spikes, but that's his choice. So I just go for another seismic toss to KO that Fortress. Alright, now he sends out his Rayquaza, a black looking dragon. Goes for the outrage. I know I could live one. One and only one. That's really what I could live, because look how much damage this is. And he's Life Orb, so that helps me a little. So I do go for the Seismic Toss again, because it's the only attacking move I carry on my Blissey. Does good amount of damage. He goes for the Outrage. That's going to KO my Blissey. I don't know. I could have used Blissey in the future, but I didn't want to switch anything out, because I kind of need everything else. But he gets a crit, takes more Life Orb damage, and he's not confused yet. So, yeah. So I go into my Red Bull, my Terrakion, and I'm actually carrying the Air Balloon. This I carry just in case I switch him out into any other pokes that have Earthquake or something. So yeah, back to the battle. He goes for that Outrage. I didn't think I could live it, but I do with just 15 HP. He pops my balloon. Funny. And I hit him with the Stone Edge, praying that it wouldn't miss, and it doesn't. Taking out that Rayquaza with a crit. A little more about this Terrakion. It's a rock polish set, so that I could basically set up at least 1 to 2 rock polishes and outspeed almost anything. Here, I think I went for the Sacred Sword, but it's not going to matter because he outspeeds and he hits me with Outrage. So that is down Terrakion, my Red Bull, but he did his work. So I'm going to switch out into Big Wave. And I get my Rain up, which benefits him, but thankfully he's locked into Outrage. That's the only reason why I switched out into Big Wave. So Outrage does a good amount of damage, but I live it. He gets confused. I'm just going to go for the Ice Beam and take out that Palkia. No problem. Get Lefty's recovery. And I'm thinking that yeah, he does switch out into his Blaziken. This thing screwed me. Well, the Blazikens I fought have screwed me because they're usually Swords Dance, Speed Boost, Baton Pass, Swords Dance, Protect, High Jump Kick. Don't know about the last move. I know he carries Flare Blitz as his last move. So he protects just to get a turn of Speed Boost. Though I think he was faster than me anyway. But predicting the High Jump Kick, I'm going to switch out, go into my Dark Lord. As he does go for the High Jump Kick, that's a good prediction on my part because I need my Big Wave for the future. So, yet again, he gets another turn, a speed boost. He's at +2, I think. But he goes ahead and withdraws his Blaziken. Sends out Groudon. I was thinking that he was going to go for a Sword Dance instead of Switch, so this is why I just go for the sub. But he gets drawed up. But anyways, I get a free sub up on the Switch. So yeah, I put in a sub and go for the Aura Sphere. Hoping that it would kill. But no, it looks to be like a 2-hit KO. He hits me with Stone Edge. I'm not going to bother setting up another sub, so I'll just go for the other Aura Sphere. Yeah, hit him with the other Aura Sphere. That's to the gut. And he barely lives, but finally he avoids that Stone Edge. Don't know how much that would have done, but we'll never know. Hit him with that Dragon Claw. No, I'm faster. That thing is gone. Groudon, you're a pain. So he switches out into Blaziken. He takes that Spikes damage. He goes for the Flare Blitz. Now, knowing that he's a physical attacker, he takes me out. But he's also gonna faint due to the recoil and the Life Orb. Alright, so I think this is his last poke, his Lugia. I'm up 2-1. Switch it a Big Wave. Hoping to outspeed. Gets that pressure going. And I got my Rain. So I set up a Calm Mind just so that I could take care of this thing. So, get another boost up. He whirlwinds me out into my freaking Gengar. And Spooky barely lives that Stealth Rock's damage. Alright, so I go for the T-Volt, I think. But it doesn't matter, he outspeeds, goes for the Ice Beam, takes out Spooky. Comes down to the 1v1. That Stealth Rock's damage. Alright, so now he's gonna start spamming the Ice Beam. And I'm hoping that he does not get the freeze. Because if he gets the freeze, I'm gonna lose. So I'll go for the Ice Beam. Good amount of damage. Looks like a 3-hit KO. Let's see if I remember what he goes for. I think he goes for a Roost, actually. No, he goes for another Ice Beam. As I think I go for the Hydro Pump. Yeah, the Hydro Pump. And if I would have gone for a Hydro Pump sooner, this game would have already been over. I wouldn't have to wait another 3 turns for this game to end. So he gains back lefties. I gain back mine. He goes for the Roost. And because of the fact that he went for the Roost, I didn't go for the Ice Beam. I just went for the Surf to KO that thing. So Surf, another good chunk of damage. Get my lefty's recovery. He does the same. Yet again, praying that he doesn't get the freeze hacks. Go for the Hydro Pump, but it misses. That blows. Game could have been over, but it's not. So this just drags on a little while longer. He goes for the Ice Beam, not going for the Roost. Yet again, no freeze hacks, thank you. Go for the Surf. That is going to be GG. Charmander. Epic game. Came down to that 1v1. Big Wave Lugia. Big Wave takes it. Thanks for those who stayed tuned to this two-part battle. I'll have more coming up for you later. So like, comment, and subscribe.